that'll be going back out. Yeah. I believe they closed that off.
What you would that way? Going to the jungle.
It's not a jungle.
I know.
Which way shall we go? That way. Or this way? We're just finding our way through this trail here. I haven't been through this trail since I was little, so I don't remember. I don't remember so many different routes to go. Some of these have been closed, look like it. Some of the routes are closed. Yeah, they do. I do know that this park has muscadine plants through here. If everybody didn't go in. Look at that spider. Everybody didn't go and pick all of them. Ooh. People are taking pictures. Just want to get. Don't be nosy. We're obviously going the right way. Look at that. Telling my children not to be nosy because they like to stare. Don't you guys? Love to stare. You see people. This is why it's good to get out, even with this pandemic, because you don't want to become an alien to people. You don't want to not know how to act in front of people, around people by the time this pandemic is over, because your children have been raised in the house. So keep that in mind, folks, because I surely don't need it happening to mine. We're having to jump over this puddle of water that might have been made by the rain, this heavy rain that came the other day. All right, who's going to jump next?
Me. I'm gonna jump on this side.
This is the fun part. This is the desperation of wanting to be out in nature. We could just turn back around, but we're deciding to keep going. So we're finding our way over this water. I know the next time I'm bringing my rain boots. I know that. Now I got rain boots. Perfect shoes for this. And didn't even think. Well, this was kind of spontaneous. This was kind of a spontaneous venture here. We had no plans to going to the park, but it's good to be spontaneous sometimes. It's just fun experience. Just hope they don't get in my car with no wet, muddy feet. That's really nice over here. I'm quite sure those of you who decided to be brave enough to walk through that water know not to go back in the house. Not in the house, but the car with muddy feet. Hope it ain't no spider webs. Where? That I'm walking in? Oh. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is a caterpillar. I don't even see it on the camera.
Oh, it's like, look.
Oh, wow.
If you keep looking at it, you can see the spider web.
Oh, wow. So much for that. Tried to let you guys see it, but it didn't let me. So we're still walking along on our little spontaneous adventure through this nice park and this trail, trying to find our way back out of this trail. I don't know why they don't have a map for the trail. That's like nuts, but I've seen a couple of people go through this trail that I've seen at the beginning, so obviously I'm going the right way. This is pretty nice, despite the spider webs, but that comes with nature. Spider webs, hopefully not snakes, but I'm quite sure there's snakes out here, but hopefully they don't come bothering us. So I'm assuming we're going the right way, because some people that I saw on the other side of the park are coming through in front of us. So I'm assuming that is going to be soon. Oh, look. Look at those nice flowers. I believe those are, what are they? Wow, it's a whole bunch of them. These flowers are, what were they? They're like some type of, we just found out what they were. These are butterweeds. They're called butterweeds. They probably have a different and much difficult and harder to pronounce scientific name. But these are butterweeds, and if you look up the information for butterweeds, you'll find out that they are good for if you have intestinal problems, diarrhea, if you have menstrual cramps, or mood swings, or any anxiety disorders. Those plants, those nice, pretty yellow flowers are good for that. But moving along, so I don't want any animals to get any idea why we are sitting over here on our adventure and get caught off guard. That won't be cool. My children are having fun. Well, at least the girls are. The boys are actually, they don't know what to do with themselves. It's usually my girls that come out with me on these nature trails. And the boys are usually trying to stay in the house and play games, but I can't let them have the game and TV brain. They need to come out and get vitamin D in the sun too. Guess I'll ask my viewers, what kind of things have you guys been doing through this pandemic? What type of, have you guys gone on any nature trails? Or I would like to go travel around the country and go to different natural preserves. Do you guys know any nice places to go? Any nice sites that have animals or plants or anything like this? Or maybe even some kind of canyon. There's caterpillars everywhere. But if you do, just let me know in the comment section below. That'll be really nice to go and travel and do videos showing you guys my nature adventures, whether they're with me or with the children. Alright. Keep on going. I'm just taking you guys with me on this trail. Me and the children in our little adventure here. Usually I'm actually a little scary about going through these places alone. So, I mean, I'm not alone, but I'm usually with other adults. I have become a little bit braver since the pandemic, since we've been coming out here in all these natural spots. And if we want to become nature people, we got to get out there and we can't be scary. Even though I should have put on my rain boots today because it's a lot of mud and a lot of water back here. But either way, it's fun. It's a fun adventure. Children think they've seen an animal over here. I'm not very interested in staring at it and trying to find out what the heck it was, because I mean, I know alligators used to be over at this park. I don't know if they still have them, but I'm not trying to test nature. So Still trying to find our way out of this trail here. It's really nice though. Just another short video taking you guys along another trip of mine. There goes those flowers again. Like I did on my last video, I'm going to put up the information that I find. I think this is the way out. My memory is coming back from when I was a kid. I believe that if I go this way, I don't know about going straight. They went straight? Maybe they did go straight. Now we're following other people's movements pretty much because it's actually time to go. We kind of did this sneak adventure around the corner while my husband was at work. Now he's just texted me and said that he's done. So now we're having to, in speed motion, trying to figure out our way out of this park. Note to self, never do this type of adventure when you're only going to be a little bit, especially when you don't know where the heck you're going. Really just wanted to go to the park. Ooh, almost ran into it. You sure they went straight? Because I ain't trying to play no game. Yeah, we can easily just go backwards. Yeah, but they might not know where the heck they're going and we're following them. We really need to figure out how to see where we are. Oh my goodness. I got a feeling this might be a way out. Not sure. As you guys probably can hear, I'm running out of breath. Before I turned the camera on, we were practically running when we realized it was time to go. My husband's probably going to be wondering, why y'all out of breath? Girl, she's talking about going without me. Why, so you can stay over here with the bears?
Oh, you didn't tell her.
No, because I just thought of that myself. That's why we need to go. Oh my goodness. Please be an out.
And please don't do anything.
I'll get back with you guys when we make it out. The children think that they hear animals. I think there's somebody making noise. Sorry if the camera's shaking. We're rushing, trying to get out of here. I think we found an out. I saw through the trees in the distance some cars. So I don't know which side of the park we're coming out of, but I know we're about to get close to an exit of some sort, I hope.
Might be, come on.
Nehemiah, you can run and tell us if that's an out.
Yeah, go ahead. Don't listen.
You got on flip-flops today. Never mind.
But it is.
The day we decided not to wear our closed-toe shoes, it's the day we decided to go through this trail. Ain't that some foolishness? I think we made it. We made it.
Watch out for the glass.
Oh, watch out for glass. We made it. We're smelling campfire. We've made it. Back to human territory. Guys, thanks for coming with us on this journey. I appreciate you guys watching my video. Give a like and a thumbs up, like, and comment, and please subscribe to my channel for our next adventure.